my head. What the fuck is good, everybody? It's been a fucking minute. Nick, run this shit, let's fucking go. Steve, you fucking ready? You fucking ready? I locked myself in my room. I can't tell you what the fear is. I can't tell you what the year is. Fucking been too long. I don't think y'all are ready for this. I don't think they're ready for this. But let's fucking go. This next motherfucking joint's called Expensive. This is about all the fucking money out blowing clothing. Spending all my money on clothes. Throwing all my cash at some hoes. Leave it at their feet. You can have it all, just give me a receipt. You. Pockets lined with cream. Bursting through my seams. Watch me as I float. This life is but a dream. Just bought myself a coat. Matches on my jeans. Money on my body. Positive. How we did everything that we did. This the best day ever. And we did it without agreeing. This the best day ever. And we did it pop no riddle. The fuck is all that Adderall? I say we ain't got it all. Meet me in the street because we're good to play some basketball. Meet me at the creek because we're good to do some pass ball. Meet me in this song's called IDK. Again, life's too fast. Can I tell if I'm built to last? Oh, no one else knows me like you do. Said I've got to leave. I'll treat you to everything you want. When I make it, don't be mistaken. This song's called Jade. Hit me down the flight upstairs, I'm feeling extra jaded. I'm on troubles on the double so that I can say I made it. Taking my sweet time with decisions that I'll play with. I definitely know about my managers, I made it all. Taking all these records in my room. Reckon I'm eating all that good shit, going extra with the veggies. Damn, girl, you lost me, yeah. I've got hope, I've got blessings, I've got what good. Shout out to 10 motherfuckers that are in the room right now. Y'all are troopers, I love it. I love it. That's my last personal solo song. I'm a fucking artist. My name's CWENDT. I produce all my shit. I write all my shit. I do it all from fucking scratch. But for my fucking show, I wanted to rock the fuck out. So I fucking recruited a band. And they're gonna fucking play a fucking dope ass cover for you. We're gonna get a little heavy metal in this bitch. Show me what you fucking got, boys.